Semiconductor companies race to develop AI-powered chips. In the race to develop artificial intelligence, semiconductor companies are pushing the limits of what's possible with new AI-powered chips. These chips are designed to handle the massive amounts of data needed for AI applications, from self-driving cars to smart homes and everything in between. The demand for AI-powered chips is skyrocketing. With the explosion of IoT devices and the rise of 5G networks, we need chips that can process data at lightning speeds. That's where AI comes in. The potential for AI-powered chips is enormous. They can help make our lives more efficient, safer, and connected. But developing these chips is no easy task. It requires cutting-edge technology, innovative design, and a lot of investment. We're investing heavily in AI-powered chips because we believe they're the future. We're partnering with leading AI companies to create chips that are faster, more efficient, and more powerful than ever before. The competition is fierce among semiconductor companies to develop the best AI-powered chips. But with the potential for massive profits and the ability to transform our world, the race is worth it. The future of AI is here, and it's powered by semiconductor companies racing to create the best AI-powered chips.